Imagine yourself stepping into this circle of individuals, of like-hearted individuals, and as you step into the circle, take your place on the earth. Let your feet step into the earth. You might imagine that you're out on a plateau in a meadow with a fire burning. You might imagine that you're in a circle in a temple or a cathedral or someplace that's spiritual for you. You might be stepping into a circle on the beach and feeling your feet on the sand. Whatever it is, make a connection to the earth and your place on the earth and your place on stepping consciously with full awareness into this circle vibration, into this higher vibratory frequency, this frequency of divine harmony and unity consciousness, and honor yourself for taking that space. Hands are in prayer pose in front of the chest, drawing the breath into the body deeply, deeply. Will tone 3 times to welcome the energy. As you start to hit that third tone, simply unfold your hands and hold them up around the heart to receive. As the third tone moves out into the ethers, we receive you. As you have held your palms in prayer pose in front of the heart, opening them to receive on the third tone, we give to you. We are the energy vibrations of the Angelic Realm. We are the Elohim. We connect with you this evening. We welcome you. We shower you with energy. Feel the palms tingle. You are in receiving mode. You are receiving now. Toning 3 more times, and on the third tone, this time bring the palms back together in prayer pose in front of your hearts and receive the blessing of the Elohim in this moment, on this circle, in this full moon. You take this blessing into your hearts. You hold this blessing in your souls, in your vibrations. I am Quan Yin. The Elohim surround the earth now. The ascended masters, angels, and masters from other star systems come closer and closer to the earth. Your hearts opening, sometimes through pain and sometimes through sorrow, allow these energies to open on the earth. You become the conduits for the light and for the transmissions that we send. By being aware, by opening to awareness, and in that awareness, opening your hearts to the energy vibrations of the divine feminine, of the Elohim, of the angelic force, of the ascended masters from different star systems who gather here to be with you during the portals when they are open, during the time when the portals are more fully open. We are Quan Yin. We are representing many ascended masters this evening, as you are representing ascended master souls living on the earth, in the earth bodies at this time. It is important to acknowledge yourself. It is important at this time to acknowledge your presence on the earth and your choice to be here, despite all the dramas and stories that you are attached to in your personalities and in your egos. Your souls are attached to the knowing of transformation and wholeness in this time and in this age. Your souls are knowing deep within you that your presence on the earth is bringing light. We started out this evening asking you to imagine the earth, seeing the earth from a distance and seeing the lights pop on as each one of you began to take your place in the circle. You are around the northeastern part of the Americas, the northern part of the Americas at this time, and you are holding energy that is connecting to other circles of light all around the planet, on the different continents, in the center of the earth, below the oceans, and all around. There is much carriers or many carriers of energy and light moving towards your planet, coming towards your planet.